How to fix Minecraft connection timed out error in Getsockopt. To resolve this connection timeout error here, in Minecraft you can follow this several troubleshooting steps here. The error typing arises due to the network issues or firewall settings that block the connection. So before starting up, there's a basic troubleshooting steps here. Check server status. Ensure that the Minecraft server you are trying to connect is online and operational. So just go and check your internet connection. Also go and open your Minecraft and check that it is online. If there's some issue, restart your system, restart your laptop here. Just go to start and you can just restart it right now. Right, this is very important. Same thing, just restart your router too. Can often resolve connectivity issues. Now, third thing is that verify internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. Now, if you have tried each and everything which I have told you till right now, and if it's not fixing, then there could be a problem in firewall and security settings. So disable Windows Defender. Now, how you can do this? Just go and search for Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings and turn this off, real-time protection as well as our temper protection. Right, now once you do this, allow Java through firewall. So ensure your Java is allowed through your firewall settings. So to do this, open Windows Defender, firewall here, click on allow an app. So we can just go back here, and here you can just go and click on allow threads, and maybe it could show up here. Right, the next thing is that you can just usually if there's some issues, you can just go to the firewall and network settings here, allow an app through firewall. Just go and click on it, and here from here you can just allow this option which is called Java through firewall. Right, this is very important, and here you can see firewall is on, so you can turn this off right now, especially in the public network. Right, and check for both private and public network also. If you use any kind of antivirus, third-party antivirus softwares, make sure it's not blocking Minecraft. Add Minecraft to the whitelist or temporarily disable the antivirus to test connectivity. Now this is how you can do so. Now restart your system once again, and this time your problem will get fixed forever. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.